Welcome to this tutorial on the APS Accounting and Stock Control System, a comprehensive bilingual solution designed for double-entry bookkeeping, inventory management, and financial reporting. This powerful system supports both English and Arabic interfaces, making it ideal for diverse business environments. To begin using the APS system, you'll first need to activate your license key. Following activation, the essential next steps involve setting up your initial company and defining its financial year before you can start recording any transactions. Activating your license is straightforward. Navigate to the License Activation page, enter your 24-character license key, and click Activate. The system will verify your key and then redirect you to the dashboard, unlocking specific modules like accounting, inventory, and administration. Setting up your company is the next crucial step, as it forms the top-level organizational unit for all your accounts and transactions. From the sidebar, click Create and fill in essential details such as the company code, Arabic and English names, email, and tax registration number, then save your entry. Effective financial year management ensures all transactions are recorded within an active accounting period. From the dashboard, select your company, then click Create New Financial Year in the sidebar, enter the year code like 2024, define the start and end dates, set its status to active, and save. The chart of accounts is the fundamental structure of your accounting system, organizing all accounts by type, such as assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Navigate to Chart of Accounts, click Create, enter a numeric code like 101, provide both English and Arabic names, select the account type, and save. Recording journal entries is central to double-entry bookkeeping, ensuring every transaction balances debits and credits. Go to Journal Entries, input the date, reference, and description, then add debit and credit lines, making sure their totals match before saving the entry. The system accurately calculates account balances based on their debit or credit nature. For year-end rollover, select the financial year, confirm the source current year, and perform the rollover, a critical step that transfers ending balances as opening balances for the new year, restricted to accountant and admin roles. APS offers comprehensive inventory management, covering items, stores, and movements, with support for barcode scanning, multiple units, and real-time tracking. For a stock count, navigate to the Stock Count page, use barcode or manual entry, verify against the system, and update your inventory. Finally, APS provides robust reporting, including trial balance, income statements, and balance sheets, available in PDF, Arabic, and English, alongside AI-powered insights for queries like Show last month's sales. For support, contact sales at appsoft.org during business hours. Thank you for watching, and try APS today.